Here's a simple and delicious lentil toast recipe for you. Lentil toast. Ingredients for the lentil spread: 1 cup cooked lentils, green or brown, 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, optional fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. For the toast, 4 slices of bread, sourdough, whole grain, or your choice. Toppings, optional sliced avocado, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, or microgreens. Instructions: prepare the lentil spread. In a skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add chopped onion and garlic, sautéing until softened. Stir in the cooked lentils, cumin, salt, and pepper. Cook for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Remove from heat, add lemon juice, and mash lightly with a fork or blend until smooth. If using, fold in fresh herbs. Toast the bread. Toast the slices of bread until golden and crispy. Assemble. Spread the lentil mixture generously on each slice of toast. Top with your choice of additional toppings. Serve. Enjoy your lentil toast warm as a snack or a light meal. Feel free to customize the toppings based on your preferences. Enjoy!